Hello little ones, welcome to Tutory Time. Hello kids, how have you been? I hope you all have been good. In this video, we will learn about our feathered friends, birds. So, let's get started. A bird is an animal with wings, feathers and two legs. Most birds can fly using their wings. There are roughly 9,000 to 10,000 species of birds. However, we are going to learn about some of them in this video. So, first we are going to talk about sparrow. Sparrows are small birds. They have brown, black, gray and white feathers. They have short tails and their beaks are also short but strong. They eat seeds, insects, fruits and berries. They make their nests at safe places in houses, buildings, bushes, trees or under bridges. Now, the sound of the sparrow is like this. The next bird is pigeon. Pigeon is beautiful and medium-sized bird. There are various colors of pigeons. For example, white, gray, brown and even red. It has a small beak, two legs which have pointed claws. They eat seeds, grains, small nuts, pulses, etc. Pigeon loves to live among humans from ancient times. Now this is how a pigeon sounds like. The next one is crow. Crow is a medium-sized bird. It is totally black and has black feathers, black legs and a black beak. Its beak is strong and sharp. It eats grain, bread, ripe fruits, and the flesh of dead animals. It builds its nest on the trees and has very harsh voice. It sounds like. Next we have owl. Owls are known as smart birds. They are active at night. They have large eyes and a flat face. Owls cannot move their eyes, they must turn their heads to see. Owls have powerful claws which help them catch and kill their prey. They hunt for mice, lizards, and other small animals at night, and they sound like. The next bird we have is parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. There are about 390 colorful species of parrots. Most parrots have green feather with curved red beak. Parrots eat grains, fruit, nuts, seeds and even insects. It is a talking bird and it sounds like. Now let's talk about peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds of the earth. Peacock is a blue-colored bird and its feathers are blue, green, and golden. It has a huge tail. It cannot fly much high. Peacocks eat seeds, plants, insects, and small reptiles. A peacock sounds like. The last bird is eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey. They have large hooked beaks and have an excellent eyesight. Eagles build their nests on high cliffs or in tall trees. They hunt foxes, wildcats, and even young deer and goats. An eagle sounds like. So I hope you all have understood and enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to Tutory Time. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.